Hi my S&M family, welcome back. So today I will be doing a video of the progress that I'm making on the dream house. So guys, stick around. I'll be showing you the inside. I'll install the windows and I'll be showing you all that we have done over the past couple of months. So here, as you notice, the windows are there. This is a door. Also get a local builder to make the doors. So yes guys, this is the front entrance door. Also got a local builder to make them. I have one on the right and one on the left. The bigger one is on the right side. And these are the tiles that I'm using throughout the main area, like the living room, the kitchen, and the dining room. It's an open concept, so you will see. And then the bedrooms, I'll be using the different tiles. So this is the kitchen number one. This kitchen is on the left side. It's like a brown cabinet color, and I also did the concrete for the bottom part and then install the cupboard doors and stuff. This is the white side. I really like the white part. The white kitchen is a little bit bigger. This side is on the right side, the left side. Also install an island with, it's not completely finished, but this is what it is. Just giving you guys an update. So we have window install, we have cupboard start to install, and also the closets start to install. Nothing is fully completed. I'll be doing a more updated video to give you guys as to where it is now, like the finished tiling and everything complete. So this is a closet that is on the right. Bathroom is here. Not fully completed. So I just installed like the face base and the tile. The shower started to tile. Bathroom number one. Bathroom number two. So I'm gonna be putting like the granite countertop, as you know, on the vanity. Oh guys, it might not be in this video, but I also start the grilling. I don't see the grill on this video, but I'll be doing, like I said, an update. So I also start installing the grill. Yes guys, so we have to come back and work the money. So I'm back in New York. My friend and I, we're on Jamaica Avenue doing some shopping around, anywhere the sale is, that's where I have to be. So I'm here looking around. This guy trying to sell his car, but bye. So this is what it is. I'm gonna be looking on the inside, taking a video on the inside. This car really needs some cleaning up before they put the price tag on it. But nevertheless. So guys, if you know me, you know once the sale is there, I'm there. So today they have a sales day. So me and my friend were checking out the items that they have. I'm not really buying anything, but my friend is shopping. Nail polish. Sorry. So then sale, blood sale, big blood sale. Just assume so maybe they're the same kind. So the price on them $7.99. But the man there than the one where you see over there. I suit.
The length.
Hiya!
Yes.
Yes. When I was coming up as a couple dozen.
And as far as I can look up. Yeah, yes, so right now we're on the E train and we're going downtown Manhattan. We're gonna be going to World Trade Center, Battery Park.
This is a World Trade Center bound E train. The next stop is 14th Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
So we come off of Park Avenue. Yeah. Right now we are in Manhattan and I'm gonna turn the camera around and show you we are next to World Trade Center. Oh. In our struggle, let me flip the camera. Huh? The famous World Trade Center. Good pose, you know? Souvenir you can buy. The Bull of Wall Street. I have a Statue of Liberty. You see the World Trade Center? The building now we see. And then the Statue of Liberty.
$10.
$10 for this? Souvenir. Two for 50? A New York souvenir. So we're going to catch people them face. Right there.
Guys.
Stop it now.
Yeah.
And it's not come.
We are here. You want to go everywhere. Ask him. Sometimes you have to make appointments to go in there. National Museum. Alright, close.
Read my sign, just probably can come back one next day.
We are here in New York City. It's very hot. Yeah? Okay, so we're gonna be finding out Or get a ticket to go on the Statue of Liberty. Adults $24. Senior 18, $12 children. Pass sold here. City pass. You can get a city pass for $129. $109 for the child. You get to tour the whole city.
Hours later.